Hello everyone! Ohio. I don't know, it's not Ohio, it's Konbawa. Hello. Tomorrow we'll go sledding at the nearby park. At nag-order ako ng sled sa Amazon. So ito yung box. Yay! Daddy, can you please help me? Ay, init. Init na heater. Ay, ito.
Okay.
Mare.
Why is this upside down?
I don't know.
Isha, mite.
Isha, mite. What's this?
Isha, what's that?
これは何ですか? Come here, come here. Wow!
Isha, Isha.
Isha,
Wow.
what's this? Isha, what's this? これは何ですか? Ishaちゃん. Wow, snowboat. Ah.
これ何, Mami?
It's a snowboat, type 1. And I bought it in Amazon. So tomorrow we'll go sledding. Hindi ko alam kung ako ang sasakay. Kasi
Dapat si Isha. Kuliit
let's
yan eh.
see. And there's a rope. We just bought this for 1,000 something. 1,415. Ay, ang ikli ng ano. Tapos parang hindi matibay. Let's see tomorrow. So this is
Yukot
the
na ako
pieces.
diya.
Okay, can you do the honor? Onegaishimasu.
Ano ni mo?
Okay.
Ne,
Kanai.
kuchira ne. Diba?
Daijoubu?
The other one, let's try.
So, tomorrow namin gagamitin yan kasi it's already 9 p.m. Hindi na kaya for today's video. So, sana magising kami ng maaga. Lalo-lalo na si Daddy. Because we will go sledding. Dito lang may nearby park na may mountain something. Hill na maliit. Ganito kasi usually yung mga park dito. May mga hill na maliit. I think it's designed for sledding talaga. Especially here in Hokkaido na snowy area. So, yeah, I'm so excited. See you tomorrow. Janet! Good morning! It's already Sunday and we're excited to go sledding. Ayan ang bata. Pagkagising niya, kinuha niya agad to sa box at sumakay. Ayan, very excited. And then ready na din yung mga susuotin namin. Kay Isha, akin, at kay Daddy. Yeah. See you later doon sa park na pupuntahan namin or pagkaalis namin. See ya! Bye! Ohayo! Ohayo! And so, very shy. But she knows how to say Ohayo. Bye-bye! See ya! Ay! Yay! Suot na si Isha ng ano. Sumati ko na sa'yo. This one!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Not bye-bye, Isha. We just turned on the camera. Okay, Ohio. Very good.
Bye-bye.
Papunta na Don't get it, Isha siya. Don't get it. Masakay naman doon. Excited. Hold here, hold. Ana. Hold properly, ha? Ari, tamo-tabok.
Mada Isha ne.
Maguba na din. Pagdali na ganyan sa kanan. bata. Banaan. Pero pwede mo buta ato day, asa man? Ato nga nang, mas doon?
Hold, Isha, hold.
Tatawid kami. So, Isha needs to stand. Isha, tatay ko dasay. Yun na, tatay. Ako da. Isha! Arigato ne.
Ayo.
Mate, we will just cross the street, Isha. We can't use it there, Isha.
Sing. Hold, hold, hold.
Oh, Isha. Oh. Oh, siya. Sumimasen. Uy, dati, uy, kayo mo na ka. Sobra mo nakasaka, good. Ayaw, isaka kayo. Daddy! Ayaw, nag-isa ka.
Because you're not at the center, baby.
Di mo isa ka kayo.
Okay, hold, please.
Hindi, ayaw, isa ka kayo. Ikaw mag-adjust. Lang kayo. Okay.
Hold.
This is the small hill. Ayan. And we will sled here. Grabe yun. Luoy, gayo. I'll try first, be. I'll try first.
So, I'll try first. Mite. Mite. Go. Yeah. Oh, ayun, nagsuway, Messi yan namin. Hawa na.
Ibutang na nato ka. Oh. Yeah.
Tumami mo tite. Nakakaulog doon.
We're finished. So we're going home now. Ayan, enjoy si Isha. At of course ako, si Daddy hindi siya nag-try kasi takot siyang masira yung snowboat. Bakit? Anong diri man tanyagi di oy? Yard. So that's it for today. Isang oras lang kami sa labas kasi hindi din magandang dito kami sa labas ng matagal dahil malamig nga. Ano ang weather, anong temperature today din? Negative 5? Parang negative 5. So, ayun, uwi na kami. Malapit lang, like it's a 5-minute walk. From here. Meron pang isang malapit na park sa amin, papakita ko mamaya. Cool. Yay! Ayan guys, yun yung life namin dito for today. Masaya naman ang snow, pero minsan pag napakatagal na, napakarami na, medyo hassle din talaga. Ay, hindi na nakakatuwa minsan. Napakalamig. Pero kaya today because it's sunny. And see you. Matagal-tagal din kami hindi nakapag-vlog because we've been busy. And hindi kami gumagala. Okay, see you. At ito yung park na malapit sa amin na walang hill. Look at this. Yeah. Yan. Okay, bye guys. See you.